Hi everyone and welcome back to the Naio Nails channel. It's Meg and we're going to be starting off today's design with this gorgeous nude porcelain. Look how good she is, definitely giving main character vibes. So you want to do a coat of this, cure it for 60 seconds, and then you're going to repeat that and do a second coat as well. Today's tutorial is going to be really simple, super easy and fun. I am just going to be showing you how to blend two different colours of our chrome pens with each other in a small area like a love heart, and just how effective and easy it is. So I'm going to go ahead and finish popping my nude on for the base, and then I will move on to the next step. You can catch any of these products in our description box below. There is a link there for you. And if you haven't subscribed already, make sure to hit that button. If you have, obviously, then welcome back and thank you so much for supporting our channel. And looking forward to another set here from moi. So anyway, let's crack on with this. So as you can see here, this coverage is unbelievable. It's so buttery, so smooth. Like, oh, I just had to do the wiggle there on the brush. I'm so weird, what's wrong with me? Anyway, I was getting excited about the colour. It was just going on so smooth. You know, when something's so satisfying, that is exactly what our nudes are like. They're just, I just want to swatch and swatch and swatch, but I don't need any more swatches, so we're good. Okay guys, so your next step is to take the gel top coat nail sealer. This is slightly different to the normal gel top coat. This is the one I'm going to be using today, and I will be popping one coat on, curing it, and then I'm going to take a buffing block and just make sure to buff it all down. You don't need to do this purely because this top coat is really good for underneath chrome powders. Nothing really sticks to it, which is fab. But I was clearly feeling a little bit anxious about my decision to work with chrome powder that day. Look how smooth that is. Oh my God. Anyway, so that's why I decided to buff it, because sometimes I just have bad luck. I think we all know it by now. So I was like, let me just buff it anyway, just to take that added pressure off. And also look how good that colour looks matte as well, which is really cool that you got to see that too after buffing it. It's absolutely stunning. Right, so for this design, I just decided to do a gradient of sizes of love hearts going down one side of the nail. So to begin this, you want to take Serious Black and a dotting tool to the size of the... Oh, there's Nala. I can't do anything on my own anymore. These cats are part of the channel at this point. So you want to take a dotting tool that is roughly the size that you want your love heart to be. So this obviously was around the size that I wanted, and I did get a rather big bead of gel for this. And then after you've done your two circles next to each other, you then want to drag your sides down in a slight angle so that they are touching like so. This is honestly a really easy way to create perfect love hearts every time. Doesn't matter what size you do them, they'll always come out perfect. So just make sure to join those two lines there, then you can fill it in as you go, and then obviously join the inner sections at the top together as well, just like you did at the bottom. And that is as easy as that. That's how I do my love hearts. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and do a few of these in different sizes and layouts down the nail, cure it, and then we'll move on to the next step. Okay, I'm back, and just remember that you only need one coat of the black because it's just the base for our chrome. So I've just cured it for 30 seconds this time, and I've picked this bluey tone and a pinky tone. They don't come out exactly how they do on that outside section. They do obviously look a little bit different once they're on the nail, you'll see in a second. And I'm just going to do one half in one colour and another half in another colour. Some of them I'm going to blend more, some of them I'm going to blend less, but just to show you here how easy it is to use multiple colours and to show you how the swatches look on the nail in a small area. That's the word I was looking for. So you can pop these on here, you can see how they look. And I'm just using a minimal amount and I'm just blending them together. You can use a sponge afterwards to blend them if you want, or you can just use the sponge on the applicator itself. So I believe what I did here was I just alternated which colour went on which side. So I just went, the first one that I did, I then alternated that on the second one, and then again and again and again all the way down. Super pretty. You can see these two colours on top of this nude look really nice. So there we are. I'm just going to show you how we buff that off now, and look, with the gel sealer top coat and buffing it on top of that, there is 100% no room for chrome sticking to it. You can see how well that buffed off the nail just then. So if you are concerned or you're a little bit worried every time you do it, you think, oh my god, I get a little bit stuck to the nail, then they are your two products that you need. Is your white buffing block, and you also want your gel sealer top coat. So I've just gone over them here and popped a normal top coat on, and then that is it. That's how easy it is. I just again wanted to show you a quick simple design on how to mix two colours together, and I thought this was really pretty. You could use this in any shade that we've got in our chrome stick pens, and that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Check out the description box below if you do want to purchase any of the products, and again I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.